Hey everybody, it's Megan. Today I'm going to show you how to make this garden gazing ball. This is great to have for your garden. It's very easy to make, although it does take a little patience. I'm going to be talking about that. It is made with silicone glue and a polystyrene ball, so it should be okay outside in water, although if it's going to be outside for a big storm, I might think about taking it in at that point. But otherwise, it should be good to go for your garden. It's really pretty and it really is easy to make. So let's get started. I'll show you how I make it. Okay, so for our project, we have just a few materials this time. We've got our silicone glue, which is waterproof and weatherproof for outside. We've got our glass gems that we are going to glue onto our ball. It's not a styrofoam ball, but a polystyrene ball, which is going to hold up better outside and hold our gems better. So this is a pretty easy craft this time, but it does require some patience. Basically, we're just gluing our gems down, but we're going to need to hold them down for a while. So let me show you the best way to do it. Okay, so basically we are just going to take a gem and we are going to put a little dab of our silicone glue right on there. Doesn't need too much, and we're just going to glue it right on our ball. And you do need to really just hold it down for a little while. And I like to do this when I'm watching TV or doing something else that doesn't require using your hands, because it can be a little bit of a process. But what I'm doing is I am just gluing them down in a row, and you're going to want to hold these gems down onto your ball for about 10 or so minutes. And you'll know when they are pretty much glued because they will stop sliding. And if you're not careful, you can notice that they'll start sliding around your ball. But basically, if you just put them down a few at a time and hold them there, that is the best way to do it. It's been about 10 minutes, and once the gems are able to sort of stay on your ball without sliding around, you can probably stop holding them down and move on to new gems, but just be a little cautious if you do move on, to kind of check back and make sure they're not slipping around your ball, because they can easily get out of place. But we're just going to keep on going and keep adding some more. And this, like I said, is a little bit of a time-consuming process, so it's just going to take a little patience, but the end result will be worth it. And you can arrange these gems in whatever color pattern you choose. It really doesn't matter too much. Just try to get them so they line up pretty closely with each other and there's not a lot of gaps in between. our finished garden gazing ball. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. It just takes a little patience, but it's worth it, I think, because once you put this outside with your plants, you will love looking at it all summer. So thanks for joining me again today, and I'll see you next month. Bye.